Hello and welcome to all bird lovers, bird breeders and hobbyists. Welcome to Else Bird Care YouTube channel. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Today's topic, PLEIN DE VIE, the ultimate pox medicine for aviary birds. In this video, we'll be discussing PLEIN DE VIE, a revolutionary medicine developed by Cockatiel Enterprise that effectively cures avian pox in aviary birds. What is avian pox? Avian pox is a highly contagious and potentially life-threatening disease caused by the avian pox virus. It affects birds of all ages and species, causing lesions, respiratory problems, and even death. Symptoms of aviary pox in bird. The symptoms of avian pox include lesion or scabs on the skin, beak or feet, or even on eyes. Respiratory problems such as coughing or difficulty breathing. Lethargy or depression. Loss of appetite or weight loss. How to take care of pox-affected birds? If you suspect your bird has avian pox, it's essential to separate and isolate the affected bird to prevent the spread of the disease. Provide a clean, comfortable, and stress-free environment. Offer a nutritious diet and fresh water. Now, introducing PLEIN DE VIE, the only medicine that can cure avian pox. PLEIN DE VIE is a powerful medicine that effectively cures avian pox in aviary birds. Its benefits include: it cures avian pox. PLEIN DE VIE is the only medicine that can cure avian pox, eliminating the risk of complications and death. It dries lesions to the core. PLEIN DE VIE helps to dry lesions, preventing the spread of the disease and promoting healing. It fixes the respiratory system. PLEIN DE VIE helps to alleviate respiratory problems, ensuring your bird can breathe easily and comfortably. It provides strength. PLEIN DE VIE helps to boost your bird's energy and vitality, ensuring they can recover quickly and effectively. It prevents organ failure. PLEIN DE VIE helps to prevent organ failure, reducing the risk of complications and death. It prevents spread to other birds. PLEIN DE VIE helps to prevent the spread of avian pox to other birds, ensuring your entire flocks remain healthy and safe. PLEIN DE VIE is applicable for all types of aviary birds, including finches, canaries, budgies, African lovebirds, cockatiels, conures, monk parakeets, rosellas, peonas, Senegal, mayor's parrots, Bourke's parrots, kikes, lory and lorikeets, Amazon parrots, African grey parrots, macaws, cockatoos, electus parrots, and other aviary birds. Uses and doses. The recommended uses and doses of PLEIN DE VIE are: 1 drop of PLEIN DE VIE per 50 gram body weight, 1 ml of PLEIN DE VIE in 200 gram soft food, or 1 ml of PLEIN DE VIE in 200 ml water. Please consult with Else Bird Care for proper doses and guidance. Product details. PLEIN DE VIE available in 10 ml, 30 ml, 60 ml and 100 ml. Expiry date: 3 years from its manufacturing date. For all India delivery and more information, please contact Else Bird Care. Order now and keep your bird safe from avian pox. To place an order for PLEIN DE VIE, simply WhatsApp us on +91 86 97 50 7878. Wholesale and retail opportunities are also available for pet shop owners. International overseas delivery is also available with a minimum order quantity of 1 bottle. Thank you for watching our video on PLEIN DE VIE, the ultimate pox medicine for aviary birds. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on bird care and health. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact us. Happy birding!